100% sure this wolf came out of that hole.
You gotta get in the game.
Well, okay.
Let me in, goats.
100%.
Yeah.
Okay.
Let me in the game.
Hell yeah.
There's a fire.
I gotta get in the game.
And the other one's still screwed in up there, right?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
I need the bowl.
Son of a bitch. Alright, so.
I think we're gonna need a bowl. I think that's the answer, right?
Yeah, probably so.
We need a bowl, boys. We're gonna get on that.
Here we go, boys.
Gotta get something this size and this long, right?
Yeah, that's the goal.
How's it going?
Good, how are you?
Good. Going with those right there. Thank you very much.
Yep, you guys have a good day.
You too. Got the bolts, boys.
Yeah.
Hold on them so I don't lose them about that, boy.
About 23 foot-pounds on her, brother.
Yeah.
You know what I mean, what? I don't know about y'all, but I kind of want to see how these sissy parts go, to be honest with you. The video boys to be Loctite in the video. Hey, boy, hey, she's nice. She's ready to ride.
I don't think there was ever Loctite on there to begin with.
Yeah.
Yeah. Huh?
Feet. Oh, boys. Oh, boys. No way. No way.
Let's see what's going on here, boys.
That peg's supposed to be right there.
Yeah, let's see. See how it works. Oh, okay.
As far as I know.
Yeah. There we go. Hell yeah. Oh, yeah.
All right, boys, here we are.
We get this bearing completely off. Pretty simple deal. We about got her done. Super easy install. You just got these screws right here on each side. Flathead screw, unscrew those, and then you got the rubber insert sleeves to protect your forks on the inside. So you just want to go around, loosen up all four of these on all four sides, on both sides, 2 on each side. You know what I'm saying? And then just take these out, and then it's so easy. It just pops right off. That's why we got this, because Jayden really he doesn't know if he wants to have a fairing all the time.
Yeah.
He still hasn't decided, to be honest with
Not
you.
at all.
We're big fans of, you guys know, we're big fans of thrashing, East Coast and cruisy. You know, that's pretty much what got us into doing this stuff. So the East Coastin' boys, man, they always run their Dynas freaking naked. Just naked, and we love it. We love it, you know what I mean? But on the other hand, we're highwaymen, you know what I mean? So it's just, you know what I mean? So, but it's wintertime, or it's fall here. Winter's right around the corner. Like I said, we're gonna be in the garage a lot more, getting the bike styled in. Got a lot of plans for Jayden's 06 FX DLI, baby.
Oh, yeah.
Got a lot of plans. We're gonna do 2 over gold forks. Tubes,
Heavy duty progressive springs inside.
heavy duty progressive springs on the inside, and then we're looking to do, hopefully before next season,
Some saddlebags.
some nice saddlebags, maybe some hard saddlebags. He's not for sure on that. Maybe an exhaust, maybe we'll see. Yeah, we'll see what the future has in store. But we're both going to be working on our bikes, but we took the focus today was on Jayden's bike, just getting her all dialed in. Got the fairing back off.
Gonna clean her up.
Running her naked. Got the sissy bar on there. You want to take her off so they can see her naked without the sissy bar on it? They've never seen it. Is it hard?
Not too bad.
We saw it put on, so. Hell yeah. You see what we mean, boys? See how good she looks?
She's pretty.
Dude, she looks so good. Running naked. Streaking through the streets, baby. Titties out.
Pretty much.
Oh, shoot. No, she looks good. Hell yeah. Oh, yeah, boys. About wraps it up for the day. Got everything dialed in. Jayden's bike's looking good.
Totally different from the beginning.
Hell yeah. Had a good day. Everything went pretty smooth. Just had to run and get one different size bolt, which isn't a big deal in the garage for 2 little projects.
Nope.
Everything went super smooth. Yeah. Want to really thank you guys for joining us in here today. Hell yeah. Don't forget, t-shirt giveaway. Everybody like and subscribe. Every 100 subscribers, we're going to give away the t-shirt. I'm going to get the bike styled in this winter. As always, Mobbin Supply 2025. Catch us every Monday at 4:20, boys, for Mobbin Monday. And as always, ride hell bit for leather, boys.